Bang maging healthy at makaiwas sa sakit, katulad ng diabetes, cancer, tumor, PCOS at iba pa? Imagine if makakuha ng essentials na nutrients ang katawan mo like vitamins, minerals, amino acid at enzymes, all in one na pwede mo makuha sa barley. Hindi lang basta-basta barley, ito po ang amazing pure organic barley ni Miss Maritoni Fernandez. Ito ay maganda para makaiwas sa constipation dahil ito ay merong fibers. Meron din itong alkaline na pwedeng makatulong para ma-regulate ang iyong blood pressure at sugar level. Ito ay magandang pandetox ng katawan at meron itong 68 micronutrients. But take note na even healthy ang barley, it's not a medicine at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Always consult your healthcare provider for serious health concerns. By the way, I'm Marites Alvarez. I am an authorized distributor of Amazing Pure Organic Barley. So, paano nga ba inumin ang barley? Simple lang. Titimplahin lang sa isang basong tubig 30 minutes before meal on an empty stomach. If healthy ka at gusto mo i-maintain, we recommend 1 to 2 sachet for potential benefits. If you are recovering from serious disease, 2 to 3 sachets might be helpful to your health conditions. Drop a comment or send us a message or click the send message button to order cash on delivery nationwide. Para naman makatipid, pwede kang maging member at magkaroon ng up to 50% lifetime discount for personal at pang-negosyo. Again, click the message button below to order or to be a member. Thank you po at hihintayin namin ang inyong mensahe para sa inyong order. Salamat po. Bye!